Mastering English. Stative verb plus noun collocations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English vocabulary through collocations. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing part of the English language: stative verb plus noun collocations. Let's explore how stative verbs, those verbs that express states or conditions rather than actions, pair with nouns to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of collocations, it's important to understand what stative verbs are. In English, stative verbs are used to describe states of being, mental processes, and emotional states. They don't involve an action, a progress, or a process. Some common examples include believe, love, know, understand, prefer, and need. Now, let's dive into stative verb plus noun collocations. These are combinations of stative verbs and nouns that frequently go together and sound right to native English speakers. Here are a few examples. 1. Have a preference for, as in, I have a preference for tea over coffee. 2. Hold a belief, for instance, she holds a belief in the power of positive thinking. 3. Express a desire, such as, he expressed a desire to travel the world. Remember, using these collocations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. The best way to master stative verb plus noun collocations is by practice. Try to form sentences using the collocations we have learned today. For instance, you could say, I hold a belief that everyone deserves respect, or, my friend expresses a desire to learn English. The more you use these in your day-to-day conversations, the more comfortable you'll become with them. Well, that's all for today's lesson on stative verb plus noun collocations. Remember, mastering these will take your English communication skills to the next level, making your expressions more natural and engaging. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Happy learning!